Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pastillas Delanteras is probably one of the most important components in your vehicle's braking system, directly impacting your safety and driving experience. Choosing the right set requires careful consideration of factors such as material composition, friction coefficient, noise levels, and of course, compatibility with your specific vehicle make and model. In this video, we will delve into the key aspects to help you select the perfect Pastillas Delanteras for optimal braking performance and longevity. Number 5. POWERSTOP KOE 3032 Brake Kit. Upgrade your braking system with this complete kit. It's designed to give your vehicle the stopping power it needs, safely and reliably. These rotors are engineered to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. They're a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation easy. Experience superior stopping power with our Z17 pads. Their ceramic formula provides excellent performance and reduces brake dust. This kit is designed for optimal performance. It combines high-quality rotors and pads for long-lasting, reliable braking. It's a simple bolt-on replacement, making it easy to install and get back on the road quickly. No special tools are required. This kit brings your vehicle's braking system back to its original performance levels. Enjoy confident and reliable stops every time. What we like. It boasts OE rotors and ceramic pads, ensuring a perfect fit and superior performance. If you need a reliable replacement that matches your vehicle's specifications, this kit is the ideal choice. This kit is perfect for those seeking a direct replacement for their original brake system, offering a balance of quality and cost-effectiveness. What people say. Perfect fit, no noises, smooth stopping, performance stopping. I was a little skeptical buying these brakes, but I'm glad that I did. They did come with the grease for both tires, which doesn't usually happen, so that was nice. My steering wheel and car no longer shakes during braking and they stop really well. Front rotors and pads installed about 8 months ago. All good, operation is smooth and without any problems. Number 4. POWERSTOP Z17 Brake Pads. Experience superior braking performance with these innovative brake pads. They're designed for a quick break-in period and smooth, quiet operation. Keep your wheels looking their best. It features a low-dust formula that minimizes brake dust for cleaner wheels. These brake pads undergo a thermal scorching process. This ensures a fast break-in and optimal performance from the start. They are precisely chamfered and slotted, just like original equipment pads. This helps to reduce noise and vibration during braking. Enjoy a shorter break-in period compared to original equipment. It delivers superior braking performance right away. Before ordering, please use the confirmed fitment tool to ensure these brake pads are compatible with your vehicle. This will guarantee a perfect fit. What we like. Its key advantage is the low-dust ceramic formula, keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. If you prioritize clean wheels in a quick break-in period, this is the one for you. This option is perfect for drivers who value convenience and a clean look. What people say. They always fit well and work great. These pads resolve that, making them easier to modulate, get the exact brake force you need, and the friction level stays more constant, linear, as you slow down, so you don't need to readjust your pedal force during a stop. Exact fit, complete with all the hardware and backing plates made for a fluid, easy installation. Number 3. POWERSTOP Z17 Brake Pads. Experience superior braking performance with these innovative brake pads. They're designed for a quick break-in and smooth, quiet operation. Keep your wheels looking their best. These ceramic brake pads produce significantly less dust than traditional pads. The unique thermal scorching process ensures a fast break-in period, getting you on the road quicker. Just like OE pads, the chamfered and slotted design minimizes noise and vibration for a comfortable ride. These pads are engineered for a shorter break-in period than original equipment, providing superior performance right away. Installation is a breeze with the included premium hardware kit. Everything you need is right in the box. These brake pads are specifically designed for a range of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Mitsubishi vehicles. Please check compatibility before purchase. What we like. This kit stands out for its easy installation, thanks to the included premium hardware kit. If you value a hassle-free installation process, this is the best option. This is a great choice for DIY enthusiasts who want a straightforward upgrade without any extra complications. What people say. Installed easily on a 2016 Jeep Compass, front and rear. After bed in, they stop much better than stock. The box came with everything I needed with the exception of brake pad grease. The new retaining clips were a perfect fit. Since installing the car stops great, and no squeak. These brake pads appear to be very well made. Easy to install and stop great. No noise, and I like that they included new clip hardware. Number 2. Detroit Axle Brake Kit. This kit provides a complete brake system upgrade for your Acura MDX, ZDX, or Honda Pilot. It's designed for a superior and quieter braking experience. It includes drilled and slotted rotors, both front and rear, for enhanced stopping power and better heat dissipation. These rotors exceed OEM specifications for a perfect fit. Experience smooth, quiet braking with the included premium ceramic brake pads. They're designed to last longer than standard metallic pads, providing superior performance. Everything you need is included: front and rear rotors, ceramic brake pads, brake cleaner, and brake fluid. It's a comprehensive solution for your braking needs. This kit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure quality and durability. We've put it through impact, wear, and fatigue tests to guarantee its performance. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 10-year warranty. What we like. It offers a complete front and rear brake kit with drilled and slotted rotors for enhanced performance and a 10-year warranty. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with long-term peace of mind, this is the one. This is perfect for those who want a complete overhaul of their braking system and value durability. What people say. They work good, look great, and last. Much better stopping power. Smooth, quiet, and seem to stop as well as other brands. Number 1. POWERSTOP Z23-2076 Brake Pads. Experience superior braking performance with these innovative brake pads. They're designed for a smooth, quiet ride, and keep your wheels looking their best. These aren't your average brake pads. The carbon fiber ceramic formula provides maximum stopping power and significantly reduces dust. The pads feature a thermally scorched surface for quick break-in, ensuring optimal performance from the start. Enjoy a fast, effective braking response. Notice the chamfered and slotted design. It's engineered to minimize noise and vibration for a comfortable driving experience. Quiet braking, every time. These brake pads are made with positive mold technology, guaranteeing consistent fade-free performance. You can rely on them, drive after drive. Everything you need is included. The set comes complete with brake grease and premium stainless steel hardware for a simple, straightforward installation. What we like. It features carbon fiber ceramic pads for superior stopping power and fade-free performance. If you demand the best braking performance and are willing to pay a premium, this is your top choice. This is ideal for performance-oriented drivers who prioritize maximum stopping power and consistent braking under pressure. What people say. These pads are an upgrade from stock, but beware that they do squeak. Mainly the first time braking in the morning. They are ceramic with carbon fiber infused in them. Increase in braking performance and hopefully last longer than stock. I have used POWERSTOP for quite a few years now. Their brakes and rotors are of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.